No, the song.
May request si MC.
Ano yan?
If I was your man daw. Gusto niya kasi yun.
When I was your man. You know that, Bruno?
If I was your man?
Sure, of course.
Oh, alam niya, syempre, kanta niya yun eh. Oh.
Although it hurts, be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know.
Tatawagin pa ba natin yung number 3?
Huwag na pa. Tatawagin.
Wow.
You're so good, Bruno Mars. You know the Philippines loves you.
Yeah.